Hello, sobrinhos e sobrinhas fofurinhas da titia. Hoje a titia vai fazer uma aula diferente para você saber o que é que acontece quando você traduz para um gringo uma expressão ou algo que você diz em português que não se diz exatamente assim. Vamos ver se eles entendem? E sobrinhos, para gravar esse vídeo eu vou usar a plataforma Cambly. Se você não conhece ainda, vale a pena conhecer, é muito legal, eu tô adorando, que é para você interagir com nativos e você pode escolher o accent, então você pode escolher um australiano, você pode escolher um canadense, um americano, dependendo do que você quer treinar, e também você combina aí nas aulas como você quer ser corrigido. Eu tô adorando. Agora o grande diferencial mesmo é que depois que você termina a aula, a sua aula fica gravada e você pode reassistir corrigindo os seus erros. Olha que bacana. Vamos dar uma olhada como ficou esse vídeo. Hi guys, I'm here with Nikki. Nikki, say hello to my sobrinhos and sobrinhas.
Hello everyone. How are you?
Okay, can you tell them a little bit about you?
Of course. My name is Nikki. I live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania in the United States. I work for the past 4 years. I've been on cruise ships working with children between the ages of 3 and 17. And I've got off that cruise ship and now joined the Cambly team here doing tutoring online. I've only been part of the team for about 1 week, so meeting all different people from around the world, helping them learn English more fluently.
Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, so I'm going to explain them what we're going to do and then we get back to you, okay, Nikki?
Okay, perfect.
Bom, sobrinhos, a brincadeira é o seguinte. Eu vou falar para o Nick algumas frases que eu traduzi palavrinha por palavrinha sem procurar expressões. E vamos ver se ele consegue entender, tá bom? Então primeiro eu vou dar para ele sem contexto nenhum para ver se ele consegue. Okay, Nikki, so the first sentence I got here for us is it's not my beach. It's not my beach.
Okay.
Can you guess what it is?
It's
an
not my
expression.
beach.
Yeah, my beach, like, you know.
Okay, so it's not my beach. For example, I'm living in Ocean City, Maryland, and someone says, "Oh, I'm going to meet you at Atlantic City Beach." I would say, that's not my beach. My beach is Ocean City. Atlantic City is not my beach.
Okay, got it. But this is how we use it. I'm going to give you a little bit of context, okay? And maybe you'll try to guess it, how we use it here in Brazil. We say, for example, I don't like horror movies, so horror movies are not my beach.
Okay.
Do you get it?
I get it. So, I see. Yes.
Do you have any expression for that? Anything that you use for that in English?
We would say probably something like, "That's not my jam."
That's not my jam. Very good. Can you say something like, that's not my cup of tea also?
Yes, that's not my
Okay.
cup of tea. That's not my jam.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. Very good. Thank you, Nikki. The second one, no context now. It's potato. It's potato.
It's all right. It's cool.
It's all right. It's cool. Well, let me explain how we use it here in Brazil. It's like, for example, the sky is a little bit gray and it looks like it's going to rain. So maybe I would say later it's going to rain. It's potato.
Yeah. Okay.
It's something like, it's a sure thing. It's probably, it will happen. You know,
Okay.
If you do that, that will happen. It's potato. This is how we use it. Do you have an expression like this in English, or do you say it's a sure thing?
In English, for sure is what we would use. It will rain for sure.
Okay.
You would say, yeah, absolutely, for
Okay.
sure.
You wouldn't use it's
necessarily
potato.
a slang for that. Not that I know of.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Well, the third one is for nothing. For nothing. It's just a translation, for nothing.
For nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Something like, no problem, no worries.
It's something in that line. Very good. In Portuguese, we say for nothing, meaning you're welcome or something like this, right? But Nikki, let me ask you something. When we say you're welcome in English, it's a very formal way to say it, right?
Yes, you're welcome.
How would you say it? Well, how would you say it yourself among your peers?
I would say no problem.
No problem. It's more
You're
informal.
welcome, or no problem, or don't mention it.
Then mention it. Very good. Great one.
Would use
Thank you.
a combination of those three, depending on how
Okay.
casual everything is. Don't worry about it. Don't mention it. No problem.
Another one, appeared something. Appeared something. It's just a translation, okay? It's not...
Well, in English, if something appears, means something comes around. Something appeared.
Okay.
So appeared something.
But it doesn't sound like an expression for you, right?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to give you context. Well, Nikki, today we're not going to be able to have a class because appeared something.
Oh, because something came about?
Something came about or something has come up, okay? So we can use it in that context. Very good.
Okay, interesting.
Okay. So you see that context is really, really necessary, right? Translations sometimes, they don't do the work, right? Very good. There's another one we use a lot, and I see a lot of Brazilians use it, which is the expression can be. Can be.
Can be.
Mm-hmm.
Might sound like maybe or can be. Probably.
Mm-hmm. It's well, actually we use it in Portuguese a little bit like let's have pizza tonight, for example, and you respond can be. You know, that's how we would use it.
Okay.
Right? What would you say instead of saying can be, because that's a translation?
Well, if somebody said, "Oh, let's order pizza tonight," I would say we would just probably use a word absolutely or sure, awesome.
Or works for me? Can you say that? Oh, works for me.
Works for me, yes.
Okay.
Sounds good. Works for me. Awesome.
Okay, perfect. And last but not least, there's something we use. Kiddos use it a lot, for example. And this is the expression 1, 2, 3 already.
1, 2, 3 already?
Yeah.
Something sounds like when you play hide and seek. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here I come.
3, 2, 1, here I come. That's good. That's good. This is exactly what it is. And we use it also like, can you say ready, set, go? For that
Yes.
too? Okay.
Ready, set, go. Depending on, if you're playing a game, tag, okay, is everybody ready, set, go? On your marks, get set, go.
Okay, perfect.
We usually count from 3 and go down to 1. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Nikki, for taking part. And
Absolutely,
I hope you can
pleasure.
see the video later. I'm going to send you the link definitely so you can see yourself, you and other 350K people. And
Okay.
I hope you do get a lot of classes, more extra classes from Brazilians too, so you get to know us better. Thank you so
Excellent.
much.
Thank you so much, Claudia.
For joining.
I appreciate
Bye-bye.
it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Have a great day. É isso aí, sobrinhos. Eu adorei fazer essa aula, foi super legal. É uma aula, você vê que é super interativa e o mais legal é que a gente pode assistir depois. Eu espero de verdade que vocês tenham aproveitado e gostado bastante desse conteúdo. Sobre o Cambly, vou deixar alguns links aqui na descrição para você conhecer. Inclusive tem brinde de titia lá, tem 15 minutes free para você experimentar. Então, te espero por lá e depois me conta aí se você fizer essa aula experimental. Vem me contar aqui que eu vou ficar muito feliz de saber.